What's up, Jasper Nation? Darby here with the AI author, and over the next few minutes, I'm going to show you what I am playing around with inside of Jasper, the latest, newest feature currently in beta, Jasper Art. So now we're going to be able to make images with Jasper. And I'm actually going to be illustrating an entire book, which is also written by Jasper, called Pitchlandia, inside of this. So just want to show you a quick example of how Jasper is generating art. Go ahead and paste this on over here. Again, Jasper also created this thing known as the dragon spawn. So let's see what Jasper thinks about dragon spawns. Way cool. Copy to clipboard. You can download them. Pretty handy. Cool. See if it has that. Very nice. So I could take this art now, go and plop it right over here. Insert, let me see. I'm using a app called Living Writer for this. Pretty cool. Wow, so there are dragon spawns. Let's go ahead and do spicy discs. And oh, that's an interesting name for a unicorn. So let's go ahead and run it again. Spicy discs. An ovoid shaped unicorn with their ability to travel great distances and over time by spinning rapidly around its prey until the prey dies via starvation or boredom. That's funny. So, wow, pretty cool, pretty fast. I got to say, this is a really cool feature to see Jasper finally come out with. I know long time coming, much anticipated, and a lot of cool things that are going to come up for it. I'm going to do one more. Let's see. Let's see what this one is. This is really interesting. I don't even remember what half of these prompts were. Hipsters. Creatures with incredible depth perception, though they can't see what's right next to them with their huge eyes. Wow, that's cool. Take this, boom, go ahead and add that in over here and insert image. And just like that, we can start illustrating what will be Pitchlandia, a book written and illustrated by AI. Very cool. Excited to keep playing around with this. And for all of you guys in Jasper Nation as well, let me know how you're liking this new tool. If you're using it so far, share some of your art, and I'll see you in the next video.